Hi, welcome to the Akuvox technical channel. This video introduces how to power devices and connect them to a network. This video covers two methods, using POE or POE Plus for both network and power supply, and using a 12-volt adapter for power with RJ45 for network connection. POE and POE Plus deliver power and network connectivity through a single Cat5 or Cat6 Ethernet cable, with POE providing up to 15.4 watts and POE Plus up to 30 watts. Most Akuvox devices support POE or POE Plus. Please check the power supply specifications for different models in the video introduction. Here is the wiring diagram. If the wiring distance exceeds 100 meters, a switch is required. To power a device using POE or POE Plus within 100 meters, 328 feet, first locate the device's Ethernet port. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the device's Ethernet port and the other end to the router. The screen or the device button will light up, indicating the device is powered on. When the wiring distance exceeds 100 meters, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the device's Ethernet port and the other end to the POE or POE Plus switch. Use another cable to connect the switch to the router. Using a 12-volt adapter is another way to power devices when POE or POE Plus is unavailable. Make sure you have the correct adapter on hand. Check the label on the back cover for the device's input power consumption, or refer to the device's quick installation guide. In this video, we use the S562 indoor monitor as an example. Locate the power input, GND, and RJ45 ports on the indoor monitor. Connect the 8-pin terminal to the device. Next, connect the adapter's positive wire to the device's power input and the negative wire to the GND. Ensure a firm and secure connection. For the network connectivity, use a Cat5 or Cat6 Ethernet cable to connect the device to a network switch or router. Power on the device and it lights up. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Akuvox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.